Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is military presence in Lakshadweep set to increase with Navy Air Force giving shape to expansion plans. Now this article discusses India's plan to significantly increase military presence in the Lakshadweep Islands and driven by the rising strategic challenges in Indian Ocean region, the Navy and the Air Force are collaboratively shaping expansion plans to strengthen surveillance, security and operational capabilities in this strategically crucial archipelago. Now the key developments are naval expansion. A new naval detachment on Bitra Island is nearly complete and expected to be fully operational by next year. According to Southern Naval Command SNC, the Navy already has manpower deployed on Bitra and plans further enhancements also. Now first let's understand why Lakshadweep is strategically important. So it is located in 8 degree and 10 degree channels, and this is a major lanes of connecting the Gulf of Aden and Malacca Strait also. This provides strategic depth against Chinese presence in the Gwadar as well as which is the Pakistan, and then the Djibouti in China's military base, and then potential influence across IOR under the string of pearls theory also. And it is ideal for surveillance of maritime routes, anti-piracy operations, maritime domain awareness, naval logistics and refueling support as well. And the military infrastructure benefits are also there, like enhances India's power projection in the western seaboard, strengthens headquarter Southern Naval Command capability, helps monitor Chinese research vessels often accused of dual use activities, supports Sagar. Now Sagar is security and growth for all in the region vision, and environmentally it is also very sensitive. Coral atoll ecosystem is highly vulnerable here, and strict environmental impact assessments are also there. So again it becomes a very important topic and crucial topic. Let's give it a read. The Air Force is already working on expanding its own facility on Agatti and building a new air base on Minicoy. We look forward to greater infrastructure development on the Lakshadweep Islands. Of course it is fragile ecosystem and we want to be very careful how we develop it. Vice Admiral Samir Saxena, Flag Officer Commanding in Chief, as SNC said on Tuesday. Now this naval presence of Lakshadweep will happen in a measured way, he added. So again it becomes very important. Now let us understand the UPSC relevance of this news. So it is very important for prelims perspective: geography of Lakshadweep, atoll, coral islands, location, sea lanes. For mains also, GS paper 2 and GS paper 3, it becomes very important. International relations and internal security as well as infrastructure and environment perspective, it becomes very important. And essay also it becomes very important in region security, India's maritime strategy and balancing development versus environment and fragile ecosystems. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.